I just saw a recipe for baked cottage cheese eggs, and I've never heard of it before. And it kind of looks like a quiche, so I figured I'd give it a quick try. Here we go. Because I'm doing a little mini version of this, I'm going to be using my toaster oven. So I'm going to be setting it for 375 for 30 minutes. You know what? Let me make it 35 minutes so I have time to put it together. So the recipe itself is super simple. It's essentially, I'm using a half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese. The original recipe calls for 1 cup, but I'm halving everything. Salt, pepper, 2 eggs. Original recipe calls for 4. I'm going to use that for my little mixing bowl. You're supposed to use cooking spray. I'm going to use a little bit of Crisco because I'm using a pork pie tin because I just needed something small to kind of hold it in. So while I'm waiting for the oven to come up to temp, I went ahead and greased my little tin. And we're going to add in the cottage cheese. We're going to add in an egg. We're going to add in another egg. We're going to do a little bit of salt. That looks good. And we're going to do a little bit of pepper. That looks good. And we're going to mix it around. Add in there. We're going to pour it in the tin. And we'll put it on the tray. So I'm going to be putting it on a foil-lined tray because I don't know if this thing's going to spill over. But now we can go and throw it in the oven. All right, see you back in about 30 minutes. This is a recipe from Gordon Ramsay and it calls for chives. I didn't have chives, so I didn't put them. All right, here we go. Let's see how she looks. Oh, not bad. Look at that. All right, let's plate this thing. And there we are. Time to try it. Here we go. Hey, it's actually pretty good. Well, I wouldn't kick that out of the kitchen. So yeah, this is some pretty good stuff. I don't mind this at all. I'd definitely make this again. So there you go, cottage cheese and eggs baked. I'll put the recipe down below. And leave a comment. Let me know if you try it and what you think. Take care. Thanks for watching.